go. Bangalore, baby.
Guys, we have to try this, guys. Come on.
Look at this. A whole box of Krispy Kreme as soon as she's arrived.
And she's taking 20 on her way back.
Why? Because it's shut in Bombay.
You can't have them. You
Why?
have to run tomorrow.
Shut up, yeah.
He's drooling on the donut.
Yeah, please.
But now also you'll have to try. Now
Oh
tell
my
me
God.
I'm wrong.
We can skip the marathon for tomorrow.
Yes.
Arrival. You hear that? She saw herself in the mirror and she's like, oh, someone who looks like me.
It was the fish.
Cartoon? Cartoon. What? This is what makes our bread and butter.
You want to hit the gym before the marathon?
Hit the gym before the marathon.
Yes.
Workout before a workout.
How do you do party and then after party? Let's. Oh!
Huh? Chalo. Cool, I think we're set. Let's go. Eat.
Bombay will be like 4 places.
Flavor, which you don't get in Bombay. Lovely.
छोड़ दो मुझे इधर यार मुझे नहीं जाना बॉम्बे
This is the effect after lovely food and amazing weather. Can we cancel the marathon?
Comfortable?
That's my shoe size. I'm gonna give birth. For all you people asking when is the baby coming, I think it is coming. It's time. And I'm gonna give birth. Where is she? What's happening here? Is this your last minute practice before tomorrow? So you can beat me? Yes. This is a last minute practice before. Oh my god, this is going too fast. There's no friction in this level.
Bro, but look at this.
1, let's go. Oh, it's harder. It looks like you're winning.
But look at this elliptic here. Aren't you seeing what the legs are doing?
Is this a Zumba elliptical? What is this?
Just see. Just stand.
Elvis. Try that for a second and see how weird that is. Is it making sense to you?
No. Like you're standing.
Why did you suddenly lift dumbbells? You're not actually working out, you nut. Get up. Go, Kabira, you try. Oh my god. I swear, play some salsa music over this. Let's go. I think I have murdered all my energy for tomorrow also. Oh god. But what did they say? By what time do we need to be
We
there?
have to touch there by 5:30.
Be there by 5:30.
That means 5:15 we are leaving.
So if we're leaving by 5:15, we need to be up by 3:30.
Why are we sleeping? I'm wondering.
What's the time right now? Is it 3?
10.
It's 10.
What has been bothering you lately?
I'm just a little concerned about my marriage.
What about it?
Just I feel things are going to get difficult between me and my wife.
Why?
After I beat her very badly in the marathon tomorrow.
But are you prepared that if tomorrow she beats you, you can survive that loss?
Doctor, you don't know my wife, she's a dwarf. This is how she runs. What seems to be the problem? Is it that you are feeling very small because you've been overshadowed so badly by your genius, amazing husband?
Genius billionaire playboy philanthropist.
I feel that after tomorrow's victory, I might become a very arrogant person.
Let me just add delusional over here. Has your husband ever purposely sat on you? Has he? Okay, she's gone to bed. I can't wait. I'm too excited. Tomorrow morning, you wake up at 5 o'clock. She has no idea how badly she's going to lose.
I heard that.
Moving towards wellness. You see the back? Tata Ultramata. Oh my goodness.
Wow, you're
This is XL. It's fitting like a sports bra. How is this XL? Rubbish, no, I got to fix this. Really? What should I call for triple XL? Where is my manager?
In the loop. In the loop.
Fetch away. You come out fast. I have to show you something. Just look at this.
Yeah, I saw this.
XL.
Wow. You're looking pumped.
Oh, I'm looking pumped. My blood flow is stopping. This is looking like a sports bra, bro. What the shit? Manager, fix this.
What is this? S?
It feels like an XS.
Nose is fine.
Yeah, she's wearing fine. This is XL. How am I supposed to run? Nonsense. Middle of the marathon, very well running only. I'll become the Hulk. How alive are you right now?
Right on time, but I realized
What are you talking about?
when you got up in the morning, 3:30 in the morning, the guy very nicely delivered you coffee and you couldn't believe it. And you're walking here and sleeping, trying to sleep. Right on time. There's no reason.
नॉनसेंस सब चीज टाइम टू टाइम होनी चाहिए
My God, but he was right on time. Arey.
Even your sense, inner thoughts. Get ready to get your ass kicked.
Game on. Finally. In uniform, yes. Game on, bro. It's game on.
Rohit and Manu, super excited to have you here. Thanks for being a part of Tata Ultra Marathon supported by Big Basket. The question is, who's going to hit the finish line first between both of them?
Thank you so much, Rohit and Hanu.
So, back in the room. Where's my partner?
Back from where? I've just been in bed. Were we running in my dream?
What about the end? Do you expect it to end the way it ended?
What ended?
What ended? Never mind. Okay, so we're obviously very, very exhausted. So now we're just going to rest and then...
There's an
and
option.
then...
There's
what?
an option.
What option?
Vaishnavi called and said that the hotel's breakfast is on.
That would require moving of muscles.
Yeah.
That is not happening. We're going to rest for a bit.
Yes.
Then we're going to go have a shower.
Shower.
And then finally, since we have time in Bangalore, we're going to hit the town for at least 3 to 4 hours before we head to the airport. Let's see a little of Bangalore at least.
Yes, once at least, yaar.
Alright, see you on the other side. 1 hour later. Anyone still sleepy?
No.
Yes.
How many hours have we slept in total?
We slept 3 and right now we slept for like what, 1.5.
I slept for like 2 minutes. So the second my eyes closed, he came, sir, laundry. I like, no.
Oh, I
Got back into bed 5 minutes and he gave me a call, sir, check out. I like, I'll just stay awake.
Really, I'm so sorry for you.
Why are you
Because of
sorry?
you, I could sleep.
When it's actually your fault, you're not sorry. When it's someone else's fault, you're sorry. Yes, manager. Are you happy with the way things turned out?
Yes, it was crazy. Every single person on that ground had to like come say hi to you or take a picture with you. They were queued up to just say hi to you. It was crazy.
That was kind of incredible. The last time we encountered this was at the Aether event, but this just went
Yeah.
beyond.
And this is like one event in Bangalore.
Yeah.
One marathon, which a handful of people.
Yeah. No, insane, like obnoxious people. Everyone walks up with a smile.
The best part is they're running. And like, hey Rohit! And I'm like, it's like they're friends. You know how we were
Yeah,
going in the
that's
opposite
incredible.
direction sometimes, so we had to take a few shots as well.
Yeah.
There are people who came back running while they're running a marathon. Can we have a picture? And I'm like, you're actually running extra and you're okay with that? Yeah.
That was a perfect way to kind of end the whole marathon thing. Coming back to that reception
What do you think about doing proper meetup?
in Bangalore, you
Why?
can count on the fact that the next meetup is happening in Bangalore.
We have to make it happen.
Imagine if on a Sunday, 5:30 a.m. people have woken up for this. Imagine if you do it around like afternoon or a
Yeah, that
comfortable
is
time. The
crazy.
amount of people who will
You know
show
what?
up.
Before we actually went there and saw the crowd and everything, I was thinking in my head, it's so early in the morning, it's a Sunday. I was thinking there'll be like 50 to 100 people.
Yeah.
At the max, turning up for this, and a few of them probably would be people who know us.
Yeah.
2,500 people for a 5:30 in the morning marathon run. That is insane. It was like one large group of people like enjoying together. And I enjoyed going up on stage also and dancing. They're doing that cool
I
down
don't know
Zumba.
what I did. I don't call that dance. I call that trying to move my limbs.
She probably didn't have one step in sync with what was happening, but she was loving it. I sacrificed my act for that dance.
No, that's just your old age.
Why does age have to come and be a part of it all the time?
Because it wasn't that hectic, it was just a cool dance session.
But incredible, right? This they would call a success. I mean, I got messages from Tata Ultra Marathon and Big Basket.
Oh,
You guys
wow.
are insane. You guys were super fun. They are very happy with the work.
Fantastic, that's great.
Success.
Too
Success.
many more.
To many more.
And I've gotten like a lot of reposts on stories. I'm reposting each one of you.
I haven't been able to go through all because every time I'm opening my phone, there are a few more stories.
New
that are
more
coming up.
stories.
See, this is why Bangalore special.
But also kudos to them for waking up before 4 a.m., getting ready, planning it out, reaching there,
Yeah.
doing their first marathon ever.
You guys turned up and how? It's mind blowing. And I can only expect this from Bangalore.
Bangalore.
Can you shift it? Is that possible?
After a while.
So let's go hit the town. Nagarjunas. Chalo.
Yeah.
Let's go. What lovely weather. Wow.
And there's Andhra style Hyderabadi biryani.
Yes, focus. We are here. Say hi. Again, made it into our vlog. For all of you who saw the Kodai vlog, third wheeling, same guy. Long distance third wheeling. So we're back. Place is beautiful, but I don't want to leave. I don't want to go. All this while we are thinking about the competition. We're thinking about who'll win, who'll lose. We were so focused on that, but in the end, what happened? She didn't win, I didn't win. But Bangalore won. Why isn't the app working? I'm trying to put my details in the app.
It's not working, you have to use only your laptop.
I'm not being able to add my card. Look at this. I'm not even being able to finish writing my card number.
Okay, forget it. 3 minutes. Please, please. Oh my god, it's done. Okay, no, tickets are not done. Just the card details have been done. But you booked from here.
So excited we haven't even booked the tickets yet.
I might just do this to my phone. I'm so scared.
Oh!
What? It stopped?
Yeah, stop. It just says bad gateway timed out.
Forget that.
Not happening.
Forget that.
Okay,
Let's try
let's
from
focus
here.
on yours.
Okay, come.
Damn it!
1 minute, guys. I don't trust your fingers for some reason today. Just type Coldplay. Type Coldplay.
Site isn't moving.
What?
I've crashed. This had to happen. I have never put in my card details so many times in one place. I've memorized my card for the first time in my life thanks to this. It's not letting me cancel as well. It's saying received your payment. Wait, we're confirming your booking. Look at that.
It starts here where?
No, it's just frozen. They took my 1 rupee, but
I have a question. So, I forgot my question. My question is, so no one's booking? No one's booking then?
Where are the tickets?
If some people have gotten it.
I will hunt you down.
I'm sure some people must have.
How is that possible?
Probably they won't book my show. See you soon with an update.
A few moments later.
1, 2, 3.
Bangalore, you've been good enough so far. Just a little bit more goodness, please.
Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 11 lakh.
Oh, 59,000.
Rohit, come on.
Yes. My God, I can't believe being 60k in the queue is a good thing. So every 20 seconds, it's getting 1,000 and 1,000 lesser.
Come on, Rohit. I knew I married you for this.
Oh, for this?
And you want
So after waiting also for so long, I'm going to get the shittiest tickets.
At least you are getting tickets.
But then I don't know if I will want to buy tickets that are behind the stage. And it's not apna cool wala backstage.
Yeah, it just changed.
What is yours?
43. So I've been staring at this low number I thought that I had. But by the time 8,000 people have gone down from 50k to 42k, it's 99% sold out. So I don't know what I was getting so excited for. They will need to add 4 more shows every week for the next 3 weeks.
आज अपनी औकात पता चली है.
What happened?
आज इन्फ्लुएंसर बनने की औकात पता चली है. क्या उखाड़ लिया हमने? क्या उखाड़ लिया? 1 साल रील्स बना के.
Just because it didn't get Coldplay.
Just
because. This is pure frustration. Useless influencer you are.
What about you? You're gonna get tickets.
Hey, cameraman. Oh God. क्या उखाड़ लिया?
कुछ नहीं उखाड़ा.
All that stress and pain was for what eventually? Come. You need some love.
Coldplay tickets.
No love? Oh my God. It's not Coldplay, it's Sold Play. Tonight is going to be only cold, no play.